Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your bio on Frag Pro Shooter Game. So let's get started. First, open the Frag Pro Shooter Game on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. In the profile section, you will see the Enter Your Gamer Bio option. Simply tap on it. Now, enter the new bio in the text field. Finally, tap on the Done button to save the changes. Your new bio will now be displayed in the game. And this is how you can add your bio on Frag Pro Shooter Game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.